Hi! Today I'm excited to share with you some key changes in the latest version of CSCard 4.18. We've made some significant changes that I think you'll love. First up, we have completely redesigned the admin panel. The entire top menu has been moved to the left for easier navigation. You'll notice that the marketplace management menus are mostly unchanged except for the customers menu. It's now called Users, and it includes all customers and admins. One important note, the Vendors Administrators section is gone. Now they're all admins with the vendor user group. Next, the website menu now includes the Themes section. This used to be the Design section, which was at the top right in the old admin panel. We have moved it for better accessibility. The biggest change is in the Settings section. We've combined the former Administration and Settings menus into one streamlined section. All settings and features are rearranged for convenience and quick access. I recommend taking some time to explore the new settings section to find everything you need. Now let's talk about one more key improvement, the enhanced PayPal checkout. CSCard has supported various PayPal solutions over the years, but some have been marked as legacy by PayPal. These older solutions are still available through the PayPal Legacy Payments add-on, which supports PayPal Express Checkout, PayPal Pro, PayPal Advanced, and PayFlow Pro. However, we now recommend using PayPal Checkout. This up-to-date integration offers everything you need for your CSCard store builder, similar to the PayPal commerce platform for CSCard multi-vendor. What else? We have added alternative payment methods like Venmo, PayPal Pay Later, and GiroPay. The available payment methods will depend on your and your customer's location and currency. You can also customize the style and color of the payment buttons on the checkout page to match your store's design. For more details, check out the release blog post linked below. Updates to CSCard 4.18 are available to all CSCard users, so check your upgrade center. And if you have any questions, contact us directly via email or help desk. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the new features in CSCard 4.18.